Hi, this is Michael. You've reached Module 8, where I'll show you exactly how to get started and what your next steps will look like. Here's where we map out your next steps so you can take action with confidence. If you've made it this far, you've developed a solid understanding of how this land-based investing model works, how different account types can be used, how holding costs function, and how various strategies may be structured. This last module will walk you through what the next steps typically look like for individuals who want to learn more, explore available options, or see whether this model aligns with their goals. Before we begin, it's important to emphasize this process is collaborative. You're not expected to evaluate lots, analyze structures, or interpret documents on your own. When you're ready, a member of the team will walk with you through each step. The process is collaborative, ensuring you're supported at every step. A dedicated team member guides you through evaluating lots, analyzing structures, and interpreting legal documents. Whether you're new or acquiring your first property, the support system aligns with your pace, goals, and investment timeline, ensuring confidence in every decision. Getting started with land-based investing involves a structured pathway. Begin with a strategy session to clarify goals and explore options. Next, review pre-screened buildable lots. Then, complete paperwork with guided support. Finally, benefit from ongoing support post-closing to ensure continued success and confidence in your investment journey. The initial step involves a personalized strategy session to clarify your investment goals and time horizon. Discuss available funding sources like cash, individual retirement account, or 401k, and identify suitable lot types. Explore exit strategies and receive a detailed acquisition process overview. This session is obligation-free, allowing you to explore structuring accounts or potential next steps at your own pace. After your consultation, explore pre-screened buildable lots in communities like Holiday Island and Bella Vista. Review location details, utility access, terrain suitability, and property owners association information. Analyze recent sales to make informed decisions. Select a lot that aligns with your goals and budget, ensuring full transparency in your acquisition. Once you select a lot, the team manages the closing process, ensuring seamless coordination. Support includes working with your self-directed individual retirement account custodian, 401k provider, and secure wiring instructions. They prepare purchase agreements, handle deed recording, and offer guidance for limited liability company or trust purchases, ensuring clarity and minimal time commitment. After closing, the team provides ongoing support. Set up automatic payments to avoid deadlines, automate property owners association dues, and explore exit strategies. Prepare for seller financing if desired. Plan your next acquisition at your own pace, whether immediately or after holding a property. The focus is on comfort and continued support. Explore flexible timelines and personalized support in land-based investing. Begin with an initial discovery to assess fit, then develop a tailored strategy. Complete your first acquisition with full support and build your portfolio at your own pace. This model offers flexibility and expert guidance, adapting to your preferences and comfort level. Schedule a complimentary strategy session to explore land-based investing tailored to your needs. Receive guidance on structuring investments, choosing suitable account types, and selecting properties that match your goals. Understand the complete process from start to finish. This no-obligation consultation offers clarity and answers to help you decide if this model suits you. You've completed Module 8, gaining a comprehensive understanding of initiating land-based investing. The path is clear, with support ready and opportunities available. Schedule your complimentary strategy session to discuss goals, explore inventory, and leverage this proven model for wealth building through strategic land investments. You're equipped to make informed financial decisions.